This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Advansor installs 5.5 megawatt CO2 system for Maersk Rotterdam Distribution Center. By J.O. Haraldson. Published June 30th, 2025. Danish manufacturer Advansor has supplied 6 Steel XL CO2 racks, with a 5.5 megawatt total capacity, providing 2.4 megawatts, 682 tons of refrigeration, of cooling 700 kilowatts, 190 tons of refrigeration, of freezing, and 2.4 megawatts of heating, to Danish shipping giant Maersk for a sustainable distribution center in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. The new 35,000 square meter, 375,740 square foot facility in the port of Rotterdam provides storage for over 34,000 pallets, with temperatures ranging in 16 cold rooms from minus 25 to plus 30 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius minus 13 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The facility, which opened in February, stores temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals, produce, meat, and seafood. The Advansor system also provides domestic hot water and space heating, touchspot cooling. With the newest technology, transcritical CO2 is as efficient as ammonia or CO2 plus ammonia cascade systems, Advansor told naturalrefrigerants.com. There is no safety risk management with CO2, and we can place it anywhere with a much shorter installation time. Maersk aims to operate net zero by 2040, including its ocean fleet, marine containers, and distribution centers. System details. 2 Steel XL units support freezer storage and 4 units, cold storage. System heat recovery is used for freezer area and cross-dock floor heating, domestic hot water, comfort heating, and hot gas defrost. The section providing minus 2 degrees Celsius, 28.4 degrees Fahrenheit, pharmaceutical storage operates with a CPR, seasonal energy performance ratio, of 3.97. Advansor told naturalrefrigerants.com, with a comfort cooling and heating CPR of 6.16. The frozen section at minus 28 degrees Celsius, minus 18.4 degrees Fahrenheit, has a CPR of 2.29, with a comfort cooling and heating SCPR of 2.9. All compressors use permanent magnet motors. Partnership. The collaboration between Advansor and Maersk extends globally, with the manufacturer supplying a similar system for a New Zealand distribution center near Hamilton that opened in 2023 and 2 new facilities in South Africa, one in Cape Town and one near Durban, with expected official launches by the end of 2025. We have proposed and agreed on a very energy-efficient design, Advansor said, adding that it meets Maersk's simultaneous requirements for freezing, cooling, and heating. New products. Advansor's latest products include an upgraded Steel XL unit and a plug-and-play CO2 commercial heat pump. In January, the manufacturer upgraded the piping and increased the size of its Steel XL unit to offer a cooling capacity of up to 2.7 megawatts, 767 tons refrigeration, 1.9 megawatts, 540 tons refrigeration, of freezing, up to 4 megawatts, 1,137 tons refrigeration, of heating, and 0.5 megawatts, 142 tons refrigeration, of air conditioning, all in one frame. At Chillventa 2024 in October, Advansor unveiled its ValueBox CO2 plug-and-play heat pump, which provides a simultaneous space heating capacity from 300 to 700 kilowatts, 85 to 190 refrigeration tons, and space cooling from 200 to 400 kilowatts, 57 to 114 refrigeration tons, in a single unit. Quotable. Our cold store significantly improves the speed and reliability in refrigerated supply chains, said Ole Trumpfeller, Managing Director of Maersk Area North Europe Continent. The proximity to the Rotterdam terminal allows us to offer more integrated and thus more resilient supply chain solutions.